Hello NEET aspirants. Today we are going to be discuss line by line from the NCERT. You may feel bored to read the NCERT, right? I am here to help you out. And here the NCERT lines are very important for the NEET exam. And here some of the previous year NEET questions already marked and kept to make your work easier. Now let us start here line by line with my explanation. And here we go with that. In this chapter, you are going to be read endocrine glands and hormones, human endocrine system, hormones of heart, kidney and gastrointestinal tract, and classification of hormones, and finally you are going to be read mechanism of hormone action. Now let us start our reading NCERT line by line. Now let us see here chemical coordination integration. Hope you can see my screen, right? So here we are going to be read now. You have already learnt that neural system provides point-to-point rapid coordination among the organs. Point-to-point rapid coordination among the organs. Very important here, point-to-point. And the neural coordination is a fast and short-lived. Fast but short-lived. As the nerve fibers do not innervate to all the cells of the body, and the cellular functions need to be continuously regulated. A special kind of a coordination and integration has to be provided here. And this function is carried out by hormones. The neural system and endocrine system jointly coordinates and regulates the physiological functions in the body. Now let us see here, children, students, we are having here in this paragraph how many questions possibility. Which system provides point-to-point rapid coordination among the organs? Neural system. Which system coordinates fast and short-lived information to the organs? Neural system. Which system do not innervate all the cells of the body and for the cellular function? Neural system. Now, which systems jointly coordinates and regulates the physiological functions in our body? There here you have to tell your answer, neural system and endocrine system. Alright children, here is a 4 questions possibility we have been seen. Alright students, done. So this is about your chemical coordination and integration starting paragraph questions. And now we go here endocrine glands and hormones. The endocrine glands lack the ducts. Lack the ducts. Hence, they are called ductless glands. Very, very important. They are called ductless glands. And their secretions are called hormones. The classical definition of the hormones as a chemical provided by endocrine glands and released into the blood and transported to a distantly located target organ. Target organ has current scientific definition as follows. Hormones are non-nutrient chemicals which act as intercellular messengers and are produced in a trace amounts. The new definition covers a number of new molecules in addition to this hormones secreted by the organized endocrine glands. Invertebrates possess very small endocrine system with a few hormones, whereas a large number of chemicals act as hormones and provides coordination in vertebrates. The human endocrine system described here. Done children? So in this paragraph, which are called here ductless glands, very important, ductless glands. Ductless glands, because here there is no duct for these glands. Okay, that are called here endocrine glands. Endocrine glands are also can be called ductless glands. Alright, now what is meant by hormone? What is meant by hormone in the sense here? Already the green colored marked, you can see that 2013 it has been asked. Previous year 2013 it has been asked here. Hormones are non-nutrient. If we eat hormones, it will not provide any energy like a carbohydrates, like a proteins. No, this is non-nutrient chemical which act as intercellular. It is not intracellular. Remember that. This is intercellular, between the cells. Intra in the sense inside the cell, but here it is between the cells. Intercellular messengers and provided in a trace amount, meaning very little amount. Understand, children? So now here, hormones are non-nutrient chemicals which act as intercellular messengers or produced in a trace amount directly into the bloodstream. Important question. Directly into the bloodstream. Transported to the target organ which is located far from the secretion. Let us say pituitary gland somewhere. Okay. And ovary somewhere. LH and FS is going to be act there. You understand? So like that, target organ will be somewhere, secretion will be somewhere. But how it's going to be coordinate the function? Through the bloodstream. So now here, these glands does not have any ducts. Hence, these are called ductless glands. If there is no duct, how it will secrete the hormones? Directly into the blood. Directly into the blood, it's going to be secrete. So hence, through the blood, here what happens? It's going to be reached to target organ. Hence here, these are called ductless glands. Alright, so this is what here the classical definition, or we can consider scientific definition for this hormones. And now a new definition, little bit of words have been added here, that is they have been mentioned the next sentence. New molecules in addition to the hormones secreted by the organized endocrine glands. Invertebrates, it's going to be having here very simple endocrine system. Invertebrates. So we know that's the arthropods, that's the insect going to be secrete a kind of hormones which are going to be attract opposite sex for the mating purpose. Okay, these are called endorphins, we'll mention it, right? So that is what here, only invertebrates will be having very little kind of hormones, meaning very simple endocrine system. When it comes to here in vertebrates, there will be a large number of chemicals. Those are called hormones which provide that coordination among the organs along with the nervous system. That is what here. You got it? You got it, students? Here the questions possibility. Which glands are called ductless glands? Endocrine glands. Okay, and which gland secretion will be directly introduced into the blood? That is endocrine glands. The hormone definition, if you comes here, these are non-nutrient chemicals which act as intercellular, not intra, remember, intercellular messengers and are provides in a trace amount, very little amount.